In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Chrome Profile Selector on startup. If you use more than one Chrome profile, for example, one for work and another for personal browsing, turning on the profile selector at launch can make things much easier. Instead of Chrome opening directly into the last profile you used, it will first show the profile chooser so you can pick the one you want right away. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can access the profile options without any issues. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click your profile icon. This is usually your picture, or if you do not have a picture set, it may appear as your initials. Clicking that icon opens a menu with settings related to your Chrome account and profiles. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Chrome Profiles. This will open the profile selection window where Chrome displays the profiles currently available on your device. This area is useful anytime you want to switch profiles, add another one, or adjust how profiles behave when Chrome starts. In that profile selection window, look toward the bottom right corner. You should see an option labeled Show on Startup. This setting controls whether Chrome displays the profile selector each time the browser is launched. Go ahead and check that box. Once it is enabled, Chrome will be set to show the profile selection screen whenever it starts. This is especially helpful if multiple people use the same computer or if you regularly switch between separate browsing environments. After checking the box, the last thing you need to do is completely close all Chrome windows. This part matters because Chrome can sometimes continue running in the background even after a window is closed. To make sure the change takes effect properly, close every Chrome window, then reopen the browser fresh. When Chrome launches again, the profile selector should now appear automatically. From there, you can simply choose the profile you want to use and continue browsing as normal. If you do not see the profile selector right away, double check that every Chrome window was fully closed before reopening it. In some cases, background processes can delay the change until Chrome is fully restarted. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Chrome Profile Selector on startup, making it quicker and more organized to choose the right profile each time you open the browser.